Membership operator. Membership operator are very easy and very interesting topic in my Python language. Although all arithmetic operator, not only arithmetic operator, although all operator, all operators in Python language are easy, and but membership operator is very much easy than or any other operator. So what is the function of using membership operator? Membership operator is like a, suppose I have a number, I have a variable, I'll take a variable a and I will write here string in double quotation I will write as a member, member, member. Okay, so if I have to find any word, like any alphabet is present in that number or not, if I have to find, remember, listen this carefully, if I have to find any alphabet is present in the number or not, is present in the given word or not, then I have to write print, I have to write m, that alphabet name I have to write m, in single quotation, I have to write m. If I want to find m is present in that word or not, then I have to find m, I have to write m in a. I will give this, I will give a means my member. So basically the compiler will find m is present in a or not, m is present in a or not. So value of a is member, so basically compiler will find m is present in member or not. Okay, so it will again return value true, either true or false value. Okay, so in general purpose, as we can see m is present in member, so it will return true value, so it has written true value. Okay, if I will write any other word which is not present in member, so I will write like I. As we know, as we can see, I is not present in a member, so in a. So now as we know, I is not present in a, and means I is not present in member, so it will return value as a false. Okay, so we will run the code, so it will give the value false. So as you know, member I is not present in member, so it has written the value false. Similarly, I will create a list, L for list, and I will enter the value 10, 20, 30. So these 10, 20 and 30 are the members of my list. So if I have to find, I have to give any number, if I have to find if my number is present in list or not. Suppose I have to find print 50 in L. What does this mean? The compiler will find 50 in L, means 50 in this list. The compiler will find 50 in this list. So as we can see, 50 is not present in this list, so it will return the value as a false. So it has written the value false. As you can see, it has written the value false. Here on the left side of my computer screen, as you can see, false. So compiler has written the false value because 50 is not present in my list. If I will print 10 in L, so compiler will see that, compiler will look for 10 is present, either 10 is either not 10, either 10 this 10 value is present in present in my list or not. Okay, so as we can see, 10 is present in my list. As we can see, this 10, in this list 10 is present, so it will return true value. So as you can see, it has written true value. So this is all about my membership operator, and as I told you, membership operator are very easy and interesting topic. Okay.